Everyone, this is Farooq Javed and welcome to my channel. Today is 31st December 2020 and after a couple of hours this will be a history and we are all waiting for the so-called mystery that we would be facing in 2021. This is a history that people even in their 70s and 80s have never witnessed before, because no one really ever expected this year to go like what we have been all gone through. If you take a look at the year 2020, this pandemic has brought about so many changes in our lives, both positive and negative. And everything comes in pairs. If we look at the bad points or the things that have not gone as per our expectations, then the first thing that we all have seen that it has caused enormous cause of death of the human life. It has caused poverty, it has caused despair, separation of families because people were not able to travel, disruption of families, declining economies, and the worst thing, it posed timelines. And when I say post timelines, it has locked people indoors. And when the social animal, it gets locked indoors, that means an end to social life, an end to celebrations, an end to events. But as we have all seen, and you might have also gone through this experience, that technology has played a very important and a vital role in this. Many celebrations, meetings, either official or personal, Zoom or Microsoft Teams, it has forced people to celebrate all of these things indoors and with the help of that technology on their laptops or the cell phones. Even education has been limited to this technology thing. If we take a deeper look at the celebrations that have been celebrated or the events that have been done on this technology thing, how has it really affected the people? Well, why do we celebrate? Why do we go to events? It's not only to celebrate that event, but because we need to meet our loved ones. And as we are all we know that everyone is so busy in their lives, personal lives or professional lives, that they don't really get the time to go out and meet anyone. And these celebrations, they are this event that makes people come together. And when we are not coming together, we are not meeting our loved ones, we are limited in our own comfort zones or in our homes, it causes a feeling of emptiness. It causes a gap in the people because we are not meeting them. And the celebrations, they become memorable events. They become our golden memories. And these events and memories, we normally like to talk about them and pass our time. And once in this year, we have not been able to do that. So it has caused an emptiness, a gap in the minds of the people. This is all like the bad things that have really happened. But it has not really made people come to an end of life. So what are the positives that we have seen in this thing? First of all, let's talk about those guys or people who used to spend half of their day at their desk attending meetings or trying to meet their targets. They used to, like everyone does, leaving early and coming back late from home. So now what are these guys doing? We are all working from home. And what the benefit has brought about this working from home? Like now we really know that being at home, we know how the household really works. Because prior to that, Our only aim was to come home and sleep. But now guys really know how a home really works, how the spouse really takes care of everything, what the kids are really doing at school or at college, and what are their issues. Similarly, the spouse knows that if a guy coming home late at night, he's really working. So, like, every responsibility of every person has been exposed. It's all transparent. Now, a family member, every family member, they really know what the other person does and how he's working at home or how he works at his workplace, and how the wife facilitates everything at home, and how the kids spend their day. So a home sweet home have really become a home sweet home now because they try to understand each other and they really know what each and every person is doing in their lives. Similarly, if we look at the nature, it seems that the nature is restoring back to its basics. When was the last time did you really had a chance to look at the starry sky? It was so polluted that we never get a chance to see the stars, but now the sky is bright, the stars are shining, the grass is green. You really hear the chirping and the songs of the birds. So it seems that the earth is coming back to its original condition. It's a restoration of life. And other than this, the other things that we have really learned out of this pandemic: how to take care of each other, how to clean ourselves, how to live a life that's really called a normal life, other than spending your days, your nights, or time in the corporate world. You know what a home is, you know what each and every person needs, how to take care of your friends, how to be with each other, because these are the things that we can label as a life: caring for each other, loving each other, and being with each other. So this pandemic has really opened the heart for each other. So these are the positives and the negatives of what pandemic has really brought about. Before ending my video, I just want to say that once all this is over, and we normally say that we'll be going back to our normal lives, I often think, what basically is the normal life right now? The life that we used to spend before the pandemic, or the life that we have really spent in this pandemic? That's a big question that really comes to my mind. But hope we all get through this, the whole mankind gets through this dilemma and live a life that's really worthy of each other. So, ladies and gentlemen, wish you a very happy new year. Stay home, stay safe, have a blessed life, and take care. Thank you very much.